Good morning, students. Welcome back to the computer class. I hope you all are enjoying your live session. Hana? And in the previous lecture, we have already done the topics. What do you mean by presentation? Who develops the presentation software? Means the PowerPoint presentation software. And why we use it? What are the uses of presentation? And what do you mean by PowerPoint presentation slideshow? And the small basic intro about our presentation window. And I hope in the next session you all are able to understood how to create the PowerPoint presentation practically, because in the next live session I am going to telling you how to create the blank presentation practically. Okay, but now we are going to read the steps how to create the presentation or how to use the themes in our presentation. Okay, so now let's continue with our topic from book. Now let's start continue with our topic is how to create a new presentation. The PowerPoint 2013 provides the following ways to create the presentation. हमारे पास बहुत सारी डिफरेंट वेज हैं जिनसे हम अपनी प्रेजेंटेशंस को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. क्रिएटिंग ब्लैंक प्रेजेंटेशन, हम ब्लैंक प्रेजेंटेशन भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ प्रेजेंटेशन यूजिंग टेम्पलेट्स ऑल्सो एंड यूजिंग थीम्स ऑल्सो. But still now we are going to read how to create a blank presentation. See beta, these are the steps are written in your book to show you how to create a blank presentation. But whenever we are going to create your next live session, I am going to telling you how to create a presentation practically. Okay, so now at present we are going to read the steps. First of all, click the file tab. After that, click the new option from the backstage view. See, this is your window which is shown in front of you, in which you have to see this is the file option. You have to click on it. After that, whenever you click on it, click the new option. See, from the backstage view, and after that on the new pane you have to click the blank presentation. Whenever you click on it, see, a blank presentation is created. Now after that, how to create a presentation using a template. What do you mean by templates? Beta, the templates are the ready-made. We can say that a template is a ready to use presentations. These are those presentations which are already ready to use, which includes the different themes and layouts. The meaning of layout, designs होते हैं अलग अलग, different themes होती हैं, जैसे हमारे phones में भी होती हैं. That helps to do your work quickly and easily. जो क्या करती हैं, हमारे help करती हैं काम करने में कि हम easily और quickly अपने work को perform कर सकें. See, these are the steps are also given. You have to click the file tab again. After that, click the new option from the backstage view, and the third step, type the search term in the search box. For example, you have to choose you have to find out the template which is already in use is children, and press the enter key. A list of templates will be appear in front of you. After that, you have to click the required template. जो आपको template चाहिए आप उसके ऊपर click कर सकते हो, and you see a new screen will be appear, and after that click on create button. Whenever you click on the create button, see, this type of template will be shown in front of you, and after that your window will look like this. आपकी विंडो जब आप स्लाइड शो करोगे, आपकी विंडो कुछ इस तरह से परफॉर्म होगी. ठीक है? सो now the last topic is how to create a presentation using a theme. थीम क्या होती है? थीम इज अ सेट ऑफ प्री डिजाइन फॉर्मेट्स ऑफ टेक्स्ट. थीम्स क्या होती हैं? प्री डिजाइन का मतलब जो पहले से बने हुए डिजाइंस होते हैं, टेक्स्ट के फॉर्मेट्स होते हैं, कलर स्कीम्स होती हैं उसके अंदर, ग्राफिक्स होते हैं, इफेक्ट्स होते हैं, विच आर ऑलरेडी प्री डिजाइन इज कॉल्ड अ थीम. सी बेटा, to create a presentation using a theme, we have to follow these steps. Again, we have to click on the file tab, and after that click on the new option. a new option will be appear. You have to select the slide first, then select the theme. After that you have to select the required theme which you want for your presentation, and a new screen will be appear with the choices of backgrounds. See, these are called themes. See, these all are called themes which are already shown in front of us in different colors. These all are the themes. You have to choose one of them and click on it, then select the colors for your presentation, and then click the create button. After clicking on create button, see, your theme will be selected. नाउ क्लिक टू ऐड टाइटल प्लेस होल्डर. जैसा कि प्रीवियस सेशन में मैंने आपको बताया था, प्लेस होल्डर में क्या होता है, जहां पर हम अपना टेक्स्ट राइट करते हैं एंड देन टाइप द टाइटल ऑफ योर स्लाइड, और जो भी आपको अपने स्लाइड का टाइटल रखना आप वहां सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. इन स्टेप नंबर 6, क्लिक टू ऐड सब टाइटल. जैसे कि सब टाइटल में मैंने आपको बताया था, आपको जिस फॉर्मेट में अपना टेक्स्ट प्रिपेयर करना, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर इट. Then placeholder box to add the subtitle of the slide. For example, see, this is your placeholder in which you have to write some text like this: tips for the success in life. And in this subtitle box, you have to write, see, what will be written? You have to write the motivate yourself. Okay, this is your subtitle.